Welcome to our channel. TSA PreCheck expedites airport security screening, allowing you to keep shoes, belts, and light jackets on while leaving laptops and liquids in your bag. Follow these step-by-step instructions to use your TSA PreCheck benefits. Step 1. Locate your known traveler number, KTN, which is your TSA PreCheck membership number. You can find this in your approval email or by logging into your Trusted Traveler Programs account at ttp.dhs.gov. Step 2. Add your known traveler number to your airline reservations. When booking flights, look for a field labeled Known Traveler Number, KTN, or TSA PreCheck in the Passenger Information section. Step 3. If you've already booked a flight without adding your KTN, log into your airline reservation and update your passenger profile to include the number. Most airlines allow you to add it up to 72 hours before departure. Step 4. Check your boarding pass after checking in for your flight. Look for TSA PreCheck printed on the boarding pass, indicating you're eligible for expedited screening. Step 5. At the airport, look for TSA PreCheck lanes in the security checkpoint area. These are typically marked with special signage and separate from standard screening lanes. Step 6. Present your boarding pass and ID to the TSA officer at the PreCheck entrance. Verify the TSA PreCheck indicator is on your boarding pass. Step 7. Proceed through the expedited screening lane. You can keep shoes, belts, and light jackets on. Leave laptops and compliant liquids in your carry-on bag. Step 8. Note that PreCheck is not guaranteed on every flight and depends on risk assessments. Children 12 and under can use PreCheck lanes when traveling with eligible parents. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.